Hello, good morning, students. This is your first lecture of economics. We are starting our syllabus from this lecture. Name of your subject in BBA: Elements of Economics. You are going to study what is economics. Economics is a science which studies economic behavior of individuals, groups, organizations, nations, etc. We will discuss the concept of economics, the term economics in detail when we discuss the definitions, various definitions of economics. Today we are going to study how the term of economics derived. The term economics has been derived from two Greek words, oikos and nomos. These are the Greek words. Oikos means household and nomos means to manage. So what was the meaning of economics? Economics का meaning क्या था? How to manage household with limited funds. आपके पास जितना भी फंड है उसमें आप कैसे मैनेज करते हो उसको इकोनॉमिक्स कहा गया है. हाउ टू मैनेज हाउस होल्ड विथ लिमिटेड फंड. Now this concept has been extended to macro level. Now economics means how to manage economy. हिंदी में कहते हैं अर्थतंत्र को हम कैसे मैनेज करें. Okay, so we have extended the concept from micro to macro level. What is economics? Economics studies economic behavior of a person, or it studies economic activities. Of course, you might have studied economic activities and non-economic activities in school. We are just repeating. So we try to understand what are the activities called economic activities and what are the activities called non-economic activities. So what is economic activity? Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with the expectation. बराबर ध्यान देना. Which are undertaken with the expectation of direct monetary reward, return or gain. जब हम कोई एक्टिविटी करते हैं और हम उसके एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है, हमारी अपेक्षा होती है कि हमको कुछ रिवॉर्ड मिले मॉनेटरी फॉर्म में, पैसे मिले, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज आर दोज एक्टिविटीज विच आर अंडरटेकन विद द एक्सपेक्टेशन. एम्फसाइज करना द वर्ड on expectation. Expectation of monetary return, reward or gain. My activity of teaching you, economic activity. Activity of teacher, activity of clerk, activity of bank manager, activity of pilot. All these activities are economic activities. Okay. Now what are non-economic activities? Economics does not study non-economic activities of the person. Non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with no expectation. Here direct monetary return की कोई expectation नहीं, but out of pleasure. हम कुछ आनंद के लिए करें, of love और patriotism, देश के लिए कुछ करना था, ऐसा out of charity. When there is no expectation of return, monetary return, love, pleasure, patriotism, charity के लिए जब हम लोग करते हैं, that is called non-economic activities. कोविड-19 के सीजन में ये पैंडेमिक है, उसमें कई लोगों ने कितनी चैरिटी की है, कितने अच्छे काम किए विदाउट एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट मॉनेटरी रिटर्न. These are called non-economic activities. बट इकोनॉमिक्स किसका स्टडी करता है? इकोनॉमिक्स स्टडीज ओनली इकोनॉमिक बिहेवियर ऑफ अ पर्सन. ओके, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज ऑफ अ पर्सन. समटाइम्स it is difficult to understand the difference between economic activities and non-economic activities. We have just try to understand. Suppose Dr. Rajesh has big hospital and Miss Reena is a nurse and she is working in Dr. Rajesh hospital as a nurse. As a nurse, her activity is obviously economic activities because she is receiving salary from Dr. Rajesh. दोनों में प्यार हो जाता है, पॉसिबल प्यार हो जाता है, और they got married. Even after marriage, Reena is continue her job as nurse. मैरिज के बाद भी वो नर्स के पोस्ट पे काम करती है डॉक्टर राजेश के हॉस्पिटल में. तो उसके बाद मैरिज के बाद में वो डायरेक्ट सैलरी नहीं लेगी, ऑफ कोर्स. उसका घर का हॉस्पिटल हो गया. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो इवन आफ्टर मैरिज रीना इज वर्किंग एज अ नर्स इन डॉक्टर राजेश हॉस्पिटल. बट हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, बिफोर मैरिज Rina's activity is economic activity and after marriage Rina's activity is non-economic activity. Yeah? अब डॉक्टर राजेश, हनुमान जी का भक्त है. सो मंडे टू फ्राइडे वो पेशेंट से फीस लेता है, चार्ज लेता है. सैटरडे he goes to a charity hospital और कोई ट्रस्ट में काम करता है. ही इज नॉट टेकिंग एनी फीस, एनी चार्ज फ्रॉम पेशेंट. सो मंडे टू फ्राइडे उसकी एक्टिविटी क्या है, इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. फॉर सैटरडे इज एक्टिविटी इज नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. सो हाउ यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज एंड नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज? सिंपल. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज आर दोज एक्टिविटीज विच आर अंडरटेकन with the expectation of monetary reward, return or gain. So we will discuss the characteristics of economic activities. Expectation of some reward, return or gain. I have just told you that whenever we say economic activity, there must be some expectation of some return, reward or gain. Next, they are productive. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज क्या है, वो प्रोडक्टिव है. एक्टिविटी ऑफ कारपेंटर, एक्टिविटी ऑफ ब्लैक स्मिथ, एक्टिविटी ऑफ गोल्ड स्मिथ, दे प्रोड्यूस समथिंग. और एक्टिविटी ऑफ टीचर, एक्टिविटी ऑफ डॉक्टर, दे प्रोड्यूस सर्विसेज. कुछ लोग गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, कुछ लोग सर्विस में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. बट ऑल इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज आर प्रोडक्टिव. आइदर people are engaged in the production of commodities or goods, or they are engaged in the production of services. But economic activities are productive activity. Economic activity may be legal, illegal, lawful or unlawful. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with the expectation of return, reward or gain. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि all the economic activities are legal or lawful. Some people are engaged in unlawful activity, illegal activities. Smuggling करते हैं कुछ लोग. Like alcoholic liquor is prohibited in Gujarat. दारूबंदी છે ગુજરાતમાં. But bootlegger, people are selling, people are drinking. So these activities are illegal activities. बिना परमिशन के कार चलाना, बिना परमिशन के टैक्सी चलाना, बिना परमिशन के दुकान चलाना, all the activities are illegal activities, unlawful activities. But economics is not concerned with that. Economics is concerned that these are economic activities because these activities are undertaken with the expectation of monetary return. Last, they promote material welfare or human welfare. We will discuss this topic point in very detail in the next lecture, welfare definition. But all the activities, economic activities are promoting welfare. वो illegal हो तो भी वो क्या देती है, welfare. When we undertake any activities, the activities are productive and it promote welfare. Okay, because we are receiving something in return, we are expecting something in return. Therefore, these activities promote welfare. Okay, so I'm repeating. The term economics derived from two Greek words, oikos and nomos or nemion. Oikos means household, nomos means to manage. So how to manage household with limited fund? This was the original concept of economics. Now the term has been extended to macro level, how to manage the whole economy, the entire economy with limited funds. Then we discuss economic activities and non-economic activities. Characteristics: economic activities, there is expectation of monetary reward, return or gain. Economic activities are productive by nature. Economic activity may be legal or illegal. And last, all the economic activities promote material welfare. आज के दिन इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.